7th of January, early morning. It's absolutely pitch black outside. We've got a few on the 305, and one of them is all frequency, so bearing in mind that the rig is behind my seat, it's a bit of a job to try and get people clarified.
Definitely, nothing wrong with it, so you know, I've told them that I've been going up there for years. The
demo that's coming up.
Let me know if it's dangerous or even slightly wrong with it, so yeah, it's a good place, nice and friendly up there. Yeah, that's the main thing, yeah. Oh yeah, you want it, you don't want to, you want to make sure it's right, don't you? But I'm sure it will be when I see it there, blimey. Yeah, it's all pucker machine, that is, mate. I tell you, you got it all lit up and that, blimey. All LED and all, eh? Crikey, can't be bad. Yeah, but as I say, if you get round to doing your bits come and you want to check Robby, just message me, either WhatsApp me or Messenger on the old Messenger, mate, and I'll answer straight away. Always have my phone with me. Yeah, Roger, mate. Yeah, thanks for that. We won't be going up to his full height. I don't know whether we're going to do that yet. But yeah, I've got a little fucking tripod thing, and I'll set it up on the tripod and get it all SWR'd if Dave's not, or some days not too busy. Might bring his I'll get him to pop round with his antenna analyzer and just check, make sure it's all pucker there, mate, for want of a better terminology, and then mark it all up where I've got it set, and then just bang it up in my own time, really. I'm not in any mad rush. This one works all right that I'm using at the moment. It's just I'd like to hear a bit more, if you know what I mean. Or like for instance, Barry's very in the back of the box to me at the moment, and I reckon with the new antenna on, mate, it'd be crashing through. Yeah, well, Barry's using an 827 there, and he gets out all over the place. So you know, they're good antenna, mate, and yeah, I'm sure you'll be happy with it. Whether how it compares to your other one, it's got to be a bit better because it's 5/8 wave, isn't it? It's not sort of half wave, you know. So it's got to be a bit of an improvement there. But yeah, it'd be good, mate, to see how it performs. You know, as I say, just message me either WhatsApp or Messenger, and I'll come up straight away if I'm here. But if I'm not here, I'll just send you a message to say when I am, and I'll come straight up. Oh, excuse me, got the hiccups. Come straight up and give you a check, mate. Yeah, Roger on that. Yeah, I'll just go over to Barry there. Barry, how have you got your 827? I know you got a scaffold pole, but what have you got above the scaffold pole? What sort of size pole have you got into the 827 there, Barry?
That's a little, I think it's about a 20 inch. I think it's about an inch or 2 inch. Bit what slides into the pole, and from that back out, it's a bracket on top of the small bit that slides in to the 827.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Well, there you go. It's a little demonstration. I mean, the way that the rig's set up at the minute is actually behind me seat, and obviously my own safety is more important than twiddling about with a clarifier. So
yeah, give Robby a shout there, Steve.
yeah, come on, Robby.
Hello, mate, I'm on the 827. He's literally 2.5 to 3 foot off the deck. QSK.
Yeah, QSK acknowledged. So yeah, SWR and everything was alright then, Robby?
Yeah, Yeah, it needs fine tuning. All I did was I set it at channel 19 on the mids, and as they said, I set it at 400 mil, and just checked it, and it was about 1.1 to 1. It goes up a little bit when you get on them up. It goes up to about 1.6. Just needs fine tuning, mate. But I'm on it now. I can speak to Dave. Awesome. I managed to get Paul in Luton, and to be quite honest, mate, it's no, excuse me, it's no more than 3 foot off the deck, and it looks awesome. I'm on the 827, and the coil is literally 3 foot off the ground.
Yeah, Robby, have you still got me? You got 318.
I got it, Dave.
Was that one Robby though? It's Fred, wasn't it?
Yeah, roger there. Still waiting for Robby to come back.
Alright, I'm back on the GP27 now, mate. Gives me a bit more range because it's rod that's obviously still up in the air. But no, I'm really pleased with that 827. It's a wonderful looking bit of kit.
Yeah, Robby, I wanted a gear rig check with an aerial on the ground from where I am, if you don't mind.
Yeah, just give me 2 seconds. Just take a couple of seconds. Hang on.
Here, Fred. Hello, Mr. Fred. Here.
Jim, if you're there, Jim, go 32. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, when you're ready, Robby.
550.
Right, I'm back now, boys.
Right, Robby, can I have a signal report off of you? And I'm heading up towards junction 10.
Right, you give it. I've got a radio 4 to 5 and a signal 7, mate. All good this end.
Okay, mate. Well, I think I'm heading up towards 10. No, I'm actually heading up towards 9 at the minute. I'm in a little bit of a dip. But I just really want to see how that aerial performs compared with your other one, because at the minute your audio seems about the same as what it normally is on your GP.
Well, there's a difference of 22 feet as far as height is concerned, so I'm 3 foot off the ground with the 827, and I'm 25 foot off the ground with the GP27.
Right, I'm still on the way home, and Paul is going to be shouting me on his new 4.6. I couldn't tell you what they're called. It's a 9900, but the one that's the 4.6s. And I've just done a deal with him, and he's got my Astatic Road Devil. I think the battery might be flat, but he's going to give me a shout. So let's see what he sounds like on it. Hang on, Paul, mate. I'm not sorted yet. Give us a count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, I've got you. I've not really got you clarified in properly yet, but yeah, it's definitely giving you audio. How high up have you got it?
It's about halfway.
Okay, mate. To be fair, it does sound scratchy to me at the moment, but I'm not too far away from you, so we'll chat to you on the way home, see how we get on.
Yeah, roger D on that one. I'll turn it down a bit, see how it is. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just off of the first mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's a job to tell. I'm too close. I'm at the traffic lights, Paul, at the minute.
Roger that. Yeah. Well, I've got it about maybe 2, 3 inches in front of my mouth. No, about a foot away from my mouth, sorry.
Okay, I'll be fair, it's rustling a little bit. Might want a little bit of switch cleaner in it. Like, to be honest, I think I only used it 3 or 4 times when I had it, and I bought it new. I bought it from, who is it that's up in